Hi, my name is Kylie Ibanez, and I did my project on climate change in Russia. First, I'll talk about the location of Russia. Russia is located in the northern part of Eurasia, and it being the largest country in the world, covering over 17 million square kilometers, it shares land boundaries with 14 neighboring countries, which include China, Mongolia, North Korea, Kazakhstan, Georgia, Azerbaijan, I can't say that one, Norway, Finland, Lithuania, Estonia, Latvia, Poland, Belarus, and Ukraine. Also with that, there are boundaries of the Barents Sea, Kara Sea, Latvian Sea, and the East Siberian Sea. Some general facts about Russia. The full name is Russian Federation. The population of Russia is about 142.5 million people. The capital is Moscow. And the area, like I said, is over 17 million square kilometers. The major language is Russian. Major religions include Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, and Judaism. And life expectancy for men is 59 years and for women 73. Some basic climate facts about Russia. Russia's climate varies dramatically, from a super cold Arctic chill to desert heat. But throughout the country there are mainly two distinct seasons, which are winter and summer. Although spring and autumn do appear, but only for a short period of time. The average winter temperature is -10 degrees Celsius, and for summer it can get very hot with a tropical 40 degrees Celsius. So what I'm going to get into now is my main focus of my project, which is climate change in Russia. There's actually two sides to this, and I'm going to first talk about the benefits of a warmer climate in Russia. So the benefits of warmer climates in Russia could make changes in agriculture, which means there can be warmer springs in Belarus that could produce higher yields of maize and sunflowers. A warmer climate might open up Russian rivers, which would have longer ice-free periods that can help with navigation. It would also cause less severe winters that could make energy development less costly. And these warm temperatures would create less sea ice, which would benefit commercial fishing, more high-latitude commerce, and more ice-free days. The other side to global climate change for Russia are the downsides. Although the climate change would produce many benefits, climate experts aren't sure that those benefits would outweigh long-term regional and global costs. Negative effects such as rising sea levels, the warmer climate would melt a lot of ice, which would cause sea levels to rise. That could be a potential threat to the land to be overtaken. Another negative effect would be disruptions in wildlife and human life, because the loss of ice would cause polar bears to lose their habitat and have to broaden their search for food, which could lead to human contact, and with that it could disrupt seasonal hunts. And lastly, the thawing of Siberian permafrost, which contains large amounts of organic material. This would release carbon if temperatures increased, because it would melt at a rapid pace. This would actually add to the acceleration of a warm Earth. What is being done? Climate East has a program to support ENP East countries and Russia to be better prepared for climate changes and equipped for greenhouse gases emission reductions. They will provide workshops that will be held to raise awareness on climate changes and topics and EU policies. Attention will also be brought to support ecosystems to prepare for climate mitigation and adaptation. Projects will demonstrate nature management techniques with programs like these. Will give Russia hope in sustaining their country, people, and wildlife through a changing climate. And yep, that's my project on the climate changing in Russia, and I hope you guys liked it. Okay, bye.